Feeling like you spend more time on hold with customer service than you do on your actual phone calls? We've all been there. You have a quick question about your account, and suddenly you're navigating an automated phone tree or waiting in a seemingly endless chat queue. What if there was a better way? Here's the thing, for a lot of your day-to-day banking questions, you don't need to talk to a person at all. Ally's online FAQ section is a super powerful tool that can save you time and get you the answers you need instantly. Think of it as your personal 24/7 assistant, ready to help you with everything from the most basic inquiries to more specific account details. So, how does it work? Let's say you're wondering about your Ally account routing number. Instead of a phone call, just head to the Ally Help Center. You'll find a search bar at the top of the page. Type in routing number and hit enter. In seconds, you'll see the answer, complete with clear instructions on where to find it in your online account. It's not just for simple stuff either. The FAQ section is organized by topic, so you can browse through categories like account information, mobile banking, and transfers and payments. Need to know how to set up direct deposit? There's a section for that. Curious about how to order a new debit card? It's all right there. The guides are often broken down into easy-to-follow steps, and many even include short video tutorials. You can also use it to learn about Ally's features and services. Maybe you've heard about coverdraft or savings buckets but aren't quite sure how they work. The FAQ provides a full breakdown, explaining eligibility, how to use them, and what they can do for you. It's an excellent way to get a quick education on all the tools available to help you manage your money. So, the next time you have a question about your Ally account, skip the call and try the online FAQ first. You'll likely find the answer you're looking for, and you'll get back to your day a whole lot faster. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.